Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio to your card.co website so you can share music, podcasts, or voice memos with your visitors. Let's get into it. First, insert the audio element. Card provides a dedicated block for audio files to ensure they play correctly across all browsers and devices. Click the plus icon in the top toolbar and select Audio. A placeholder audio player will appear on your canvas. In the Settings panel on the left, you can choose the type of audio you want to add. Most users choose Upload for their own files or Link if the audio is hosted elsewhere. Next, upload or link your file. Once the element is placed, you need to provide the actual audio data. If you have a Pro account, you can host the file directly on Card's servers. Click Upload and select an MP3, WAV, or OGG file. Keep an eye on the file size limit, usually 16 to 32 megabytes, depending on your plan. This is the best option for custom background music or short voice memos because it uses Card's native, clean-looking player. If you are on the free tier or have a large file, like a full podcast episode, select Link. You can paste a direct URL to an audio file hosted on a service like Dropbox or Google Drive, or use a media link from a platform like SoundCloud or Bandcamp. If you're linking to a file on a cloud drive, make sure the link ends in a file extension, like a .mp3, or is a direct download link. Otherwise, the player might not be able to read the data. Lastly, configure playback and style. Now, decide how the player should behave when a visitor lands on your page. Switch to the Appearance tab to change the player's look. You can adjust the width, choose between a simple or full player style, and change the colors of the play button and progress bar to match your site's theme. And that's pretty much it. To add audio in 2026, click the plus icon, select Audio, and either upload your file or paste a link from a streaming service. Use the Options tab to set your playback rules and the Appearance tab to style the player so it fits your brand. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.